Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dan the Financial Guy, here to help you reach your personal finance goals. For those of us who are less interested in passive income, or those who just want to maximize all avenues of increased income, today we're going to talk about how to get a raise at your earned income job. The first step toward building your case when looking for a raise is to understand your employer's and boss's expectations of you and for your role. Only after you have a clear, defined, and documented understanding of what your role and responsibilities are will you be able to effectively plan and set goals to pursue a raise or promotion. Ensure that you have a clear understanding of your expected day-to-day tasks. Also ask your boss what the model employee for your position would look like. What are the qualities, characteristics, outcomes that your employer most desires from your position? Push also for some performance metrics that tie back to these expectations and use them to track your performance throughout the year. Some examples of metrics that may apply are sales quotas or sales growth rates, the amount of new business accounts acquired, or efficiency metrics tied to budget, manpower resources, or schedule. Now that you have a well-defined list of expectations for your role, set some goals to ensure that you fully meet and also exceed these expectations, adding value wherever you can. Add value to the company and to the marketplace in a number of different ways. First, by increasing your efficiency through optimizing or automating any of your tasks. Always strive to serve others, both within and outside of your department. By doing this, you will add immense value and be relied upon as a key member of the team. Also, observe your boss and company leadership. Are there tasks that your boss doesn't like to do? Are there any ways you can add value by taking on those additional tasks? That would help them do their jobs more efficiently. In turn, that would contribute to the success of the company and add immense value in your role. The late Jim Rohn, famous in part for his motivational and personal development speeches, was big on adding value. He said, "You don't get paid for the hour. You get paid for the value you bring to the hour." So now that you've got your list of expectations and you've worked for a time to establish a track record of exceeding expectations, it's time to get that raise. To communicate your added value and request the raise, you will need to present your results and performance in a way that frames your above and beyond accomplishments in either a letter or in your formal performance review with your employer. It's important that you be honest in your self-reflection and in your documentation of results. Be sure to be transparent and indicate any areas where you may have fallen short of expectations, but cite how you have improved in these areas and emphasize the areas where you have added immense value, both in and outside of your role. When thinking about how much to ask for in your raise request, be sure to aim for a higher dollar amount than you're willing to settle for, keeping in mind that your employer will likely counteroffer with a lower offer than what you've requested. Also, be sure to research salaries for similar positions in your area and take that into consideration when you're figuring out how much to ask for in your raise. If you follow this outline, you will be in the top tier of elite employees and will have put yourself in a great position to get a raise or promotion. So, congratulations. And don't forget to take advantage of my free budget template and use it to plan your budget and to dream about the impact of getting a raise at your earned income job and how that might impact your budget surplus. That resource is linked in the description below. It's not a quick fix, but anything rarely is. Getting a raise or promotion is a real possibility if you're motivated and willing to put in some hard work and follow the outline in this video. As we've discussed in the past, maximizing your income is one of the major keys to achieving your financial goals and pursuing financial independence. If you liked this video or learned something from it, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thank you for watching. This is Dan the Financial Guy, and I will catch you next time.